What's up, my fellow yarn bombers? It is I, the Crafty Crocheter, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. My name is Michael, and I am the Crafty Crocheter. And for those of you who are returning viewers, welcome back. So I thought I would bring forth to you a big announcement. Well, not depending on what you think big is, but if you have seen my latest post from yesterday, that I mentioned that I am thinking about getting more into knitting, because in my description on my channel it does say crocheting and knitting. So, and I thought I brought this up in one of my other videos, but I thought I would reiterate that. So I'm not jumping to the other side of the fiber arts tracks. I'm still going to be heavily involved in crocheting, but I just want to get more into knitting, because I've seen, at least on Instagram, that there are a lot more male knitters than male crocheters that I've seen. I could be wrong, but from what I've seen, that seems to be the trend now. So I thought I might get on top of that trend as well. Plus, I remember when I first started getting into crocheting, I started knitting before I learned to crochet, and I mastered some of the basic stitches, and so I thought I would get back onto them. Plus, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube were doing the Stephen West MCAL challenge, the knit along, so I thought that looked really interesting, that would be something that I could eventually tackle and try out. So, and that's not the only reason. I just want to get into knitting as well, get back into knitting, because I'm a jack of all trades, you know, jack of all trades, master of none type of person. So I just like to learn a lot more about different things. So I'm gonna apply what I know from crocheting and apply it to knitting, see if that's possible, or just teach myself from YouTube and books and so forth. But if any of y'all want to give assistance to me as far as my knitting adventure, let me know. That would be greatly appreciated. And I have already created a playlist for dedicated to my knitting adventures. So I haven't made it public yet, because I haven't posted and made any videos for knitting yet. So I'm just going to take you through my adventure, like getting back into casting on, doing knit stitches, purl stitches, learning different stitches like the brioche stitches and so forth, cable stitches and so forth. So stay tuned for that. And I may do some knitting projects as well, or knitting tutorials. So let me know what y'all think about this, because I am the Crafty Crocheter, and in the crafting world, it's just more than crocheting alone. So I just want to round out my repertoire and improve my skill set in many facets of the fiber arts world, in the crafting world. So that is the big announcement. So it's not like I'm going to shout it from the rooftops or anything like that. But so anyway, hope everyone's day is going well today, and don't forget to grab your crochet hooks, grab that yarn, and create something beautiful today. So I guess I gotta, now when I'm doing my knitting, I should say grab your knit needles, grab some yarn, create something beautiful today. So I have to remember to do that when I'm making my knitting videos and not apply the crocheting aspect. So gotta spread love and not hate. Be there for one another, help each other out, love each other. Stay true to yourself. You are unique, you are special, you are loved. And be true to yourself, and don't let anyone deter you from that path. So right now the weather here in Ohio is getting like a mix of snow and rain. So when I stepped outside to get my recycling can, it was kind of a light sprinkle, like what they call grapple. So, but yeah. Anyway, so on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.